Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a logo with Canva. So let's get started. First of all, open Canva. Click on the Create a Design button on the top right corner and type in logo. Canva will then recommend a logo size, so go ahead and click on that. Click on the plus sign on the top right of your current canvas and it'll create a second page for you. And we selected the logo format earlier during the setup. You will see in the Templates tab, Canva is recommending a wide variety of preset logo designs you can start with. For this guide, let's start with this design here. Make a mental note of what elements or symbols are most associated with your business. And try adding those elements to your design to see what works. If you used Canva before, you'll know that it's very easy to navigate through the different features and functions that the site offers. Now, even if you haven't used it much, don't be afraid to play around with whatever function the site offers to see what works for your business logo. The undo button is always going to be there if something doesn't suit your taste. And we're done. You now have a personalized logo for your business. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.